on inorganic chemistry. Properties of periodic table. First property, lowest electron negativity, cesium. Highest electron negativity, fluorine. Highest ionization potential, cesium. Highest electron affinity, fluorine. Least electropositive element, fluorine. These are the 5 properties. Lightest element, hydrogen. Largest atomic size, cesium. Smallest cation, H plus. Element kept in water, phosphorus, because of its volatile nature. Liquid non-metal, bromine. Most poisonous element, plutonium. I will share this PDF. And 90% mass of sun, hydrogen. Elements kept in kerosene. First A group elements except lithium. These are the first A group elements. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So this is not kept. Dry bleacher, ozone. Dry ice, as we know, CO2. In first A group, first A, second A. Here we have D block. Here third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So here we have lithium, sodium, cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, radium. And in this noble gases, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Oxygen, sulfur, fluorine. Here in D block, copper, nickel, cobalt, iron, manganese, chromium, titanium, zirconium, hafnium, scandium, yttrium, lanthanum. And here we have F block elements. So roughly by this we can learn the periodic table. Zinc, cadmium, mercury. Here we have lanthanide series, then actinide series. Here we have 14 elements. Which of the following is not a Dobonier triad? So in which atomic number difference is same, they are Dobonier triad, and in which atomic number difference is not same, they are not Dobonier triad. So we can so here 8, here 8, here 12, here 20, calcium. So here atomic number difference will not be 8 between calcium and strontium, it will be greater than 8. So this will be the answer. Second question, on same method, the law of triads is not applicable on chlorine, bromine, iodine, sodium, potassium, rubidium, sulfur, silurium, tellurium, carbon, strontium, barium. So in this, if we will check by the atomic number, so here we can see that in this also, here it is 8 and here it will be greater than 8. So by this we can find this answer.